All right, today we're working on a 2011 Ducati 796 Hypermotard. Customer sent in. This came out of Puerto Rico. Customer sent in ignition with a key. Key works a little jacked up. And they sent the dashboard. So basically what we're going to do is, this is a little different. What we're going to do is we're going to read the chip in this key and program it into the dashboard. I think what happened with this bike, they either changed the dashboard or they changed the ignition. More likely we're going to end up cutting a new key because I don't know the history behind this chip in this key. So I'd rather just start with a brand new chip, make sure there's no problems for the customer, and cut them a new key. I'm going to cut them a key that works a little better than this one, actually. Yeah, that one. So I'll cut them a new key and everything. I'll come back in a little bit. We're back at the Ducati. That sheet of customer's key. We got it to work a little better. We lubed it up. This is going to be the new key. We cut this key, but it didn't work out right. So we end up cutting another key so it could be nice and smooth. If you notice, steering bolt lock comes out like it should. Some people will make you a key that goes from off to on, which is not totally the correct key. You need to do all functions. You need to go to park, steering lock, off, on. So that's about it. We did put a chip in this one, a newer chip. So we can go ahead and take the chip out, put it into this new key. This key wasn't cut right. I don't like the way it feels. So I'm going to send the customer this. And that's about it. We have the chip inside this key is already programmed into the dashboard. So as soon as the customer gets this back, plug it up, it should just go. And that's about it. Like I said, this came out of Puerto Rico. We'll be shipping this out probably today or tomorrow, and that's about it. If you need our help, give us a call or go to the website, www.acm Locksmith Group.